Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all may have seen my last video with the good old sausage balls. And I am going to just keep on with that theme and do another appetizer for y'all for New Year's Eve. This one is a hot pizza dip. So if you're looking for something quick that you can throw together and it is just delicious, well, you just tune right in, honey, and watch. We are going to start with, look at there, with the block of cream cheese. Russ was just telling me he gets the good one and it don't stick. I said, well, this one was on sale, so
Is she going to be fighting?
this is what I went with. Yes, I'm going to be fighting.
She's going to be on the struggle bus, y'all.
I am. I'm going to be licking the windows on the struggle bus.
She going to have her face plastered to the glass of the struggle bus.
That's me. But anyway,
Yeah.
at the time, it looks real good.
Yeah.
For 2 for $3 versus 2 for $5, and that's why I just told him. I said, well, it's 2 for $5 for Philadelphia. So listen, I'm all about being thrifty.
She is that.
Yes. So now we're going to go in with a cup of sour cream, and I know what you're thinking, Russell. Ooh, sour cream, but just give it a minute.
Yeah, I'm making a little face back here behind the camera.
Yes, he's like, sour cream. It'll be all right. He does eat it in stuff. He's gonna be just fine. I have faith that you're gonna be just fine. Now I am going to add some Parmesan cheese, and I'm gonna go in with about half a cup of that for right now. And we're going to put in some oregano, and I'm just measuring with my heart, y'all. I would say maybe about 2 tablespoons. I like a lot of oregano. A little Italian, about a teaspoon of that.
It's looking good.
It's already smelling good. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's already smelling good.
I was too far away to get a good look at it.
Now we're just going to mash this right up in this bowl. This is a one pot kind of deal. Get it all worked in. I probably could have used a smaller bowl, to be honest.
Well.
Yep. But I'm gonna get it all worked in, then we'll just layer it. It'll be all right. I do have a little more cream cheese I could add.
It ain't gonna hurt it.
Make a bigger one.
I can tell you that. It ain't gonna hurt it.
No, it's not. Look at me, I done got it all over my hand. Making all kind of racket, Law. Look at me go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put in another little bit of that in there, or should I just put it in a different bowl? I think I'm gonna put it in a different bowl. All right, y'all. Now we're back on track. I just got a little smaller bowl. I said,
looking properly proportioned.
Yes. This is more. You know what? I forgot garlic. I need to put about a teaspoon of garlic in there. Maybe a tablespoon. We'll go with that. All right. Now I am going to put some sauce in here. This is just some pizza sauce. We're gonna pour this right on top. Just like so. Give this a little stir real quick. And I do have my oven heated, y'all, to 350 degrees. This is so quick to put together.
Man, I'm telling you, it's smelling good. It is smelling good, y'all.
Now, we are going to put this shredded cheese on top. Like so. This is 8 ounce. This is a 8-ounce bar of cheese.
Mozzarella.
Now we've got some little pepperoni. Now I got the little minis because when you're dipping this out,
you don't want no big old chunk of pepperoni. Yeah, that makes sense to be a dip. Yeah,
that's right. Just gonna put those little pepperonis on top like so.
Ooh-wee.
And I am going to sprinkle it again with a little more oregano on top. And that's all it is, y'all. Quick as quick can be. I might put a little more Parmesan on top too.
Can't go wrong.
No, cheesy cheese. Now, while this is baking, I don't know if y'all know this, a good little trick, tip. Jimmy John's, I love Jimmy John's. If you have a Jimmy John's, go in, they have day-old bread, yesterday's bread, 50 cents. So I'm going to slice this bread up, spray some olive oil, and put some garlic powder on it, honey. We're going to toast it, and that's what we're going to dip this.
Crusty bread.
Yes. So in the oven it goes, and I'm going to get that bread ready, and it'll be ready in no time. Alrighty. There it is.
It's looking pizza-licious.
Yes, I got my little crispities over here, and ready to be tasted.
I'm ready to do some
Ready
tasting.
to taste it?
Yeah, that's my job.
All right, tasting time.
Tasting time.
Another little appetizer.
Man, this smells. I can't tell y'all how good this smells.
It smells
I'm about to
good.
tell y'all how good it's going to taste, though. I'm about to get in it.
Get on in it. Oh, look at all that cheese. I love cheese, y'all. You have me at cheese. Good.
It's delicious.
And you can do this with crackers, but I thought that this bread would just be perfect. And I just sprinkled a little garlic on this bread and a little oregano, and I sprayed it with some olive oil. That's all I did. Toasted it. It's nice and crispy.
It's perfect.
It's good, ain't it?
Yeah,
It goes
it
well
is.
together. Yep.
Be great for a party.
And you could really even put this in a crock pot if you're taking it somewhere. You could just do a little crock pot of it.
It would.
But or bake it and then maybe just warm it back up in the microwave. I think it would warm up.
It would. I'm
Just
sure it would warm
fine.
up just fine. Because there's really nothing to stick.
No. Got all them little cheeses, honey.
It's just melty, cheesy,
just doing,
delicious.
Yeah, doing the most.
And the bread, that was a good tip. The bread's awesome.
Yeah, 50 cent.
Crunchy.
50 cent at the Jimmy John's.
Yeah.
And you have to get there kind of early. Just say, hey, do you have any of the day-old bread? And it's great to toast and do like little pizza subs and stuff too.
Yeah.
Or meatball subs. Ooh, toast it.
Yeah,
it is
man.
really good.
Fantastic.
But give this one a try, y'all. And let me know if you do.
Yeah, let both of us know. we do.
Yes. He does read comments.
I do read comments, I promise.
Does.
Yes.
He sees what everybody says
I do.
and does.
I love it.
He does. But and sometimes I'll be like, Russell, did you see? I do. I get it.
I try my best if it's something that's specifically for me to answer.
Yeah.
And yeah.
He tries. Yeah,
do.
but he does good. But anyway, y'all, another little appetizer.
Yeah.
I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful new year.
Hope you got your collars and your black-eyed peas.
Yes. If you don't, go back. I've got all the recipes.
Yeah, man.
Some New Year's.
That's right.
New Year's goodies. You got to do it.
That's right.
Got to get them collards in and them black-eyed peas.
Yeah.
And,
Poppin' Johns.
all the things.
All them goodness. Yeah.
Cornbread.
Gotta have it.
Yes. But anyway, we thank you so much for a wonderful year with us.
Yes, it's been a great year for us on YouTube, and thank you for joining us, the ones that have. Each and every one of you mean the world to us, and we're happy to have y'all, the ones that subscribe, and even the ones that don't and just watch. We appreciate
you.
Yes,
We
we
do.
appreciate every one of you, and we are so thankful that you do.
Very, very grateful.
Yes.
Very grateful. So, hope y'all have a new year, and until next time,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.